Hi, it's Nick Lagos here from Core Physio and Pilates Studio Adelaide, and today we're going to talk a little bit about dry needling. We've had lots of questions lately over the phone and on the internet asking about what is dry needling and how does it work. So today we're going to talk a little bit about that. Dry needling is the application of acupuncture needles used in a slightly different way to acupuncture, used on trigger points in the muscles to release those trigger points and get the muscles to relax. The idea being that the muscles relaxing changes the mechanics of the body, can change pain, changes the way we use our body, the tightness or stiffness that we feel, and the symptoms that we feel when we're doing things. So now let's have a little look at how dry needling works. So to perform dry needling, we need to prepare the skin first. We use an alcohol swab just to clean the skin where the needle is going to go in. So let's do that now before we have a little look at inserting a needle. So obviously we wear gloves for the whole procedure, just to make sure that the needle is going in without any contamination. Yeah. So we've got our needles. They are single-use needles, so you can see that they're sterile. And the procedure for applying them is pretty simple. The needle just gets gently tapped into the skin. And then it can be slightly more inserted until it hits the trigger point. So we would leave the needle in until we get a response in the muscle. So usually that's a twitch. Sometimes it cannot be a twitch, it might be something else, a sensation in the muscle. And then we would remove the needle straight away once we've achieved that response, and then we discarded the needle. And if there was a little bit of bleeding, occasionally there can be just as the needle comes out, we just apply a little bit of pressure just to stop that. That's really how dry needling works. Obviously you can dry needle all the trigger points in the muscle to try and release the muscle, take away that tension and change the mechanics and the pain that people are feeling. If you have questions about dry needling, you need to really talk to your physio about it, if it's the right thing for your condition and the right thing for your problem. And then they'll also go through with you if it's the right thing for you too. So all the contraindications and the precautions, all the things you need to be careful about and the things you need to know to do after you've had dry needling. Thanks for your time, and if you need any more information, please see your physio or go to our website for further details.